Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. So today we're in my kitchen because I have to show you something really special, how to make indomie, or how I make indomie or slash instant noodles. So hope you guys stay tuned, right? Because shockingly I don't make it soupy, no. So what you'll need is 2 indomie packets, a carrot, 2 tomatoes, garlic, ginger, and onion. Okay, you guys, so first of all I have 2 pans, sufrias. I don't know what to call this. This is like a frying pan, and this is like a, I don't know. So I'm going to put some water here to boil these, but I don't boil them completely. I boil them till they're al dente. That means like semi-hard, semi-soft. And let me start chopping up my veggies. Okay, so I'm chopping my veggies, and okay, so I've done chopping everything. So these ones can be achieved by chopping, but I grated them. So you just want them to look like matchsticks. You get. And ginger, garlic. I used this. Yeah. So from here on, let us begin. So we start here, but first of all, with here on the side, I'm boiling some water. Okay, that's going on down here. You guys can't see it, but here we start by putting on the frying pan. There's a little water. That's fine. Make sure we have our cooking stick with us, and some oil. So I measure my oil with the cup. 1, 2, maybe 2.5. 2.5. My onions. And we'll let that brown. I was telling you to let them to brown, but I just like them transparent also. I don't have the patience. So now I put my garlic in, ginger. Okay, these are in steps. Please follow these steps, or it doesn't turn out the same even though if you use the same ingredients. Okay. Could wait for it to brown, but I don't. And now I'm putting my tomatoes, whatever. So now it's looking a little bit saucy, like the tomatoes are disintegrating. I put just a little water. Oops. Like a 1/4 cup. No, yeah, a 1/4 cup of water, and you let it. And like I'm trying to mash the tomatoes. You could have used canned tomatoes, let's be real, you could, but I like fresh tomatoes. I like fresh ones. So this is why I start putting my spices, because I have a lot that I put in. So I put some black pepper. I put some. Now this is I put some curry because I like the taste. I put some curry. Please estimate how much I put. I don't really know how much I really put. Okay, so I put some curry and some black pepper. And let's not forget some salt. But I think I'll be using herbal salt today. Shout out to Oscar. He knows when Oscar's the one who bought me that salt, and he told me to try it. The problem is I can't put it at the end, the salt at the end, because my brother doesn't like it, so I'm just following. Okay, so So try to mash these tomatoes. Please try. And I like the red color, one of my favorite colors. Okay, mash. Then I put some more water and just try to mix it all in. Okay, nice and red. Okay, so I think I can put this off for now, right? I'll put this off for now. So please excuse the awkward putting in, but I'm using only one hand, so we're taking this and we're gonna put, oops, we're gonna put this in. So, yeah. We're gonna put that in. So because it's on top, I'll take this and put it in like this. In fact, I usually hold it down and you see it even bubbles even more. So yeah, that's a little trick. I hold it down because it floats. Nope, we're holding it down. Okay, there we go. And this is our sauce here. We're going to transfer these noodles in the sauce. And I know we haven't used the carrots yet. It's coming. I'm telling you that black pepper usually makes me sneeze. You see? Already, it's already soft. It's already soft. Like limpy. I know some people who just let it do its thing, but I'm not one of those people. Oops, I'm pouring. I also like to add salt here in this, just like for an extra something. Yeah, so they look like they're almost ready. You'll have to taste them and find out like how soft or how hard. So I'm gonna taste this. Yeah, it's the way I like it. I think I boiled them for 1.5 minutes. Yeah, this is how I like them. So this, I forgot to film while I was doing this. But I'll do it again. I add some half and half. Oops, I have to clean that. I have to add some half and half to this. It shouldn't be watery, not that much. That is, so the milk or the half and half at this point is gonna thicken up, make a really nice sauce. This is it. This is the sauce. This is how it is. Oh, okay. So now I'm putting in the noodles. And I'll just mix everything in. Oh, I forgot. I'll add some carrots. Because I like my carrots very, 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 very firm, I'll just add them like that. And then we mix. We mix. Okay. Mix it all together. I was mixing, the fire was off. Okay, there we go. And we're done, you guys. This is basically it. This is done. It's done. Obviously mixed properly. I'm just in a hurry because I'm filming this. My camera doesn't have much memory, so there we go. Okay, so now I'm holding it. So now we're done. The Indomie is done. It's now like in a really stir-fried manner. I wish I hadn't run out of soy sauce, but currently we don't. So soy sauce would have given it a little more color and a little more flavor. So if you have soy sauce, I recommend you put it back in the beginning. Yeah, so this is it. We're done. I'm quite happy with the turnout. So my brother and I will be eating this. Let me plate up. then I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so plate number 1, plate number 2, so we're able to serve 2. Okay, so if anyone was wondering if I used these, no, I didn't. But for those who love chili, you see here where, yo, focus, hello, yes, you see here, this is chili, and this is some thing that has like MSG with it. MSG is not bad, MSG is like salt, y'all. So it's what gives umami. So this is chili. So if you want a chili, you put here. Hold on. Mars, do you want chili? Yep, the answer was yes. So this is what I sprinkle here. So can you see how red it gets? So I have to mix all of this together. Okay. So this is with chili, this is without. I won't take chili because my mouth likes chili, but my stomach doesn't. So I'm quite happy with, wait, hold on. I'm quite happy with the results. This is how it usually turns out. Sometimes it varies depending on what I have in the house and what I don't. You can substitute the carrots, you can even substitute the tomatoes. Instead of tomatoes, you put the carrots first, so the carrots will be the sauce. Quick tip, right? So this is easy, this is really easy. Like the whole meal costed maybe what, 40 shillings per plate. Yeah, so if you are alone, this is 40 shillings. Look, you see, this is quick, easy and cheap. 3, this is like, this food is a triple threat, and I hope you guys like it. So let's do a taste test, right? So let's see. Okay, it's going to be hot, I can tell. You see this? Steaming. Wait, there you go. Yep, I was right. That's really nice. So let me finish all of this. Hope you guys try the same recipe. If you do make this recipe, please take a photo and tag me on Instagram. I really want to see it. Other than that, stay safe, stress free. Bye.